Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese quesadillas at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of shredded cheese, 2 8-inch flour tortillas, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese works wonderfully, but feel free to use your favorite blend. This quick recipe is perfect for a snack or a light meal, ready in just minutes. Now let's get cooking. Place a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt about 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is shimmering, lay 1 8-inch flour tortilla flat in the pan. Make sure it gets a nice, even coating of butter on the bottom. Then, generously sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your chosen shredded cheese over 1/2 of the tortilla. This ensures a gooey, cheesy center. Once the cheese starts to melt slightly, carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the cheesy side, creating a half-moon shape. Press down gently with a spatula. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on this side until it's golden brown and crispy. Then, flip it over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the other side is also golden and the cheese is fully melted. Repeat for your second delicious quesadilla. Your delicious, homemade cheese quesadilla is now ready. Carefully remove it from the pan and place it on a cutting board. For easy serving, slice it into 3 triangles. These are perfect on their own, or you can serve them with your favorite toppings like salsa, sour cream, or a fresh guacamole. Enjoy this quick and satisfying meal anytime. Also, for a fresh car scent and other great deals, be sure to check the description below for links. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.